Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Bling Galleria to create a simple Memorial Day or 4th of July mani. So let's dive into these colors. Now this first color here, it's a beautiful shimmery glitter red, and the glitters are fine glitter. And then diamonds is that beautiful white finer glitter, and then denim is the most gorgeous blue. Wait till you see it in action. And then home of the free, it's a beautiful like shardy glitter mix of that silvers, blues, and red. It's really going to tie in the entire mani here, and we are going to be making a set of press-ons, and we're going to start off by using this beautiful denim, which I'm completely in love with this blue here. This is going to be one of those blue glitters that you can use all the time. Now these colors, even though it is like a Memorial Day or 4th of July mani kind of vibe that we're going with today, you can really use these colors all year long. They're really great to have in your collection, but this blue, there's just something about it because it's not like that dark navy blue, it's not that royal blue, it's not a bright blue. It is just like the perfect denim blue, and I feel like this is gonna look good with colors from the neon collection, like a hot pink or even some purple. And this would also look good as a one color mani. It's just a really good staple blue color to have, and I'm completely hypnotized by it. I am looking at it right now, and it is just so pretty. And then it has like these little like holographic shifty like glitters in there. They're like the finer glitters in there. I don't know. It's just so stunning, and it's just very pretty and a must have. So enough about denim. And these 4 colors are part of a newer release from Bling Galleria. There are 7 new Memorial and 4th of July colors available over on the Etsy shop, and I will be using the other colors on my channel, so stay tuned for that. But the collection is so pretty. I'll put a picture right here so you can see it. There is a beautiful foil dip. Now, if you know anything about Bling Galleria, she has the most beautiful, beautiful foils, dip powders that I've ever used, and they're so easy to work with. I used to be very intimidated by foils and always kind of stayed away from them because I had a really bad experience one time with a foil bleeding, and it kind of just like wrecked the whole mani, and I was really not okay with that because I spent so much time on this mani, and then when I went in to activate, it was bleeding and it was just like a hot mess. But so I was really always scared to go back to foils after I had a really bad experience, like when I first started dipping. But then I started dipping with foils again with Bling Galleria, and I completely fell in love with foils, and I'm so happy that I gave foils another try because the foils that Bling Galleria has to offer is like next level. So you definitely need to check out the foils. But I'm so excited that there's a foil dip in this collection with the patriotic colors, and I'm so excited to use those. And then there's also a chunkier circle glitter, which is going to be really fun to do like one nail completely with that circular glitter, or doing a mani and then like hand placing that. I just think that circular glitter in the collection is going to be really fun. And then home of the free, you're going to see it here in action in a little bit. It's that one glitter I gave you a quick glimpse of. It has that beautiful like shard irregular glitter of the silver, red, and blue. That one's so pretty, and it's definitely giving me like firework kind of vibe, and it is just really fun. So these colors are going to be great for the upcoming Memorial Day and 4th of July, and you can get these colors individually, or you can get the entire collection, whichever you prefer. If you do purchase, I do have a discount code as well. I will link that in the description box below of this video. So if you ever are ordering from Bling Galleria, you can always save with that discount code because there are just so many good things on that Etsy shop. So you will find something that catches your eye for sure. I almost guarantee you're gonna fall in love with something on her Etsy shop. So definitely check that out. So let's get into this mani. We're gonna keep it really simple today. We're just doing full coverage. We're gonna go all sparkly because when I think of like 4th of July and Memorial Day, I think of all that sparkly goodness, and I'm all about the fireworks for the 4th of July, and I feel like glitter goes perfectly with the 4th of July. So I'm totally loving it. Yet it is a simple mani, but yet it packs all that punch with all that sparkly goodness, and I really love this glitter right here. You can see there, I only did one dip of that beautiful multicolored glitter, which is called Home of the Free, because I really liked how organically those red shards and the blue shards kind of laid on the nail. I kind of had a little bit more up on the cuticle line, and then it gave it like a natural organic like gradient effect. So I was totally okay with how that looked with that one dip, and the coverage was super full coverage. So I didn't want to risk dipping again and then kind of like destroying this really pretty natural like ombre effect that I had going on with like more of it on the cuticle line, and then it radiated down. So that is why I only did one dip. And then we're going to go ahead and clear encapsulate with my favorite clear dip powder. Now, if you've ordered from Bling Galleria and you have not ordered the clear dip powder yet, you need to. It is by far my favorite clear dip powder. I use it in almost all my videos, and I'm completely obsessed with it. I am running low. I had a bigger jar, and I had to, I'm almost done with that jar because I make so many like press-ons and stuff, and it is like a staple for my clear. Now, I have tons of clear dip powder. The reason why I like this clear, it's super finely milled. It is not grainy or anything like that. And the biggest reason why I like this clear dip powder is because one time I did not brush off like you just saw me here with that stiff brush, and I went ahead and activated, and I did not have any streakiness. That still, that dip looked still crystal clear, and I was completely shocked by that, because sometimes if you do not get that dip powder off, that clear, and you go in with your activator, it's going to look really patchy. It can look, the color is not going to look as vibrant, and it's going to look really dull. But I did not have any problems when I accidentally did not use my stiff nail brush. Now, I don't recommend skipping the stiff nail brush. I love using the stiff nail brush. I totally believe in that step. But if on accident you don't use the stiff nail brush and you just go in with your activator, we're all human. We're all like rushing things to get through life. So if you do end up accidentally skipping that step and activate, you're going to be okay. That was just my experience with the clear, and ever since then I just love it so much. And I really like how it's super finely milled and not like gritty and grainy. I don't know, it's kind of hard to describe. If you've used a lot of different clear powders, you will notice there is a difference. I know people say like, oh, clear is a clear, but there is a difference, especially in the way it's milled. And I just really like how fine this one is, and it just really is what works best for me. All right, and here's the finished mani, and I'm totally loving all this sparkly goodness on my nails. It is a mani cram-packed full of sparkle, and it's giving me all those 4th of July firework kind of vibes, and I'm totally loving it. But I'm completely in love with how this mani turned out. I think these colors are so stunning. Denim, this blue, I wish I could just like give you some of these sparkles through your device right now so you could see what I'm talking about, but it is like the perfect denim blue. And if you're a blue lover, you need this in your life. And I just love this glitter so much. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. I will also go ahead and link Bling Galleria's Facebook group and Instagram page so you can get other sneak peeks of dip powders coming out and other inspiration from the other ambassadors from Bling Galleria. And stay tuned, we will be playing with more 4th of July colors on my channel featuring Bling Galleria, and I will see you in the next upload.